Could be my suspicion. Maybe I'm just overthinking. Come into my picture when I start to feel like something's missing. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Connexion back here with you with guitar interpretations, and today we're playing Connexion. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's by Zayn, and we're gonna play it without a capo. So just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, and we're playing the following chords. So for the beginner player, we're playing C, and then we go to this is C with the hammer on the 3rd fret of the higher pitched E string, right? And then we go to this is an F actually. We're holding it as 003-005. Okay, so that's 3rd fret of your D string and 5th fret of the E string. Okay, so those 2 notes, and then we come to B major. But for B, instead of holding the bar chord, we're just interested in string number 5 and string number 1. So these are in 1st fret. And then we go to D minor. Okay, so for the beginner player, you're gonna strum these chords as major chords. So that's C, and then we go to F, and then we go to B, and then we go to D minor. Okay, again, C, and then we go to F, and then we go to B, and then we go to D minor. And then if you're a more advanced player, you're gonna play C. You can just plug strings 5 and 1, right, on C, and then we go to F, the way I showed you, and then we go to B, and then we hold D minor. So for D minor, we're playing 4-3-2-1. Oh, could be my suspicion. Maybe I'm just overthinking. So you can put an A minor before you go to F right there, and then we go. And that's pretty much it for the whole song, guys. The verses, the chorus is the same chords. So yeah, do enjoy that one. It's a bit of a challenge to play, but once you get the chords, you'll be good to go. And you can check out my chord video if you're not familiar with how to hold them. I will put it in the description of the video. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.